My name is Alberto Colombo. I'm a PhD in biomedical engineer. I'm working as a research engineer on medical devices. What we came out with, it's a device which in some ways is similar to the malleable prosthesis, but the core, the exoskeleton we call it, is made of nitinol, designed with a specific geometry. This exoskeleton is in a cool state, it's very flexible. It can be essentially shaped in any it's very resistant, it doesn't break, it's totally biocompatible, FDA approved. But it can be shaped essentially in any shape, and as well it's extremely flexible, so it can accommodate inside the penis quite easily. But the moment we heat it up, it becomes rigid and straight again. So the moment I put it in warm water, like 40 degrees Celsius temperature, 100 degrees, we can say Fahrenheit, it becomes rigid and resistant to stress. Yeah, essentially this is the exoskeleton, which is essentially the core of the prosthesis. Yeah, we have different next steps, we can say. First of all, we are in close contact with our major sponsor, which for this project, which is Boston Scientific. They have been very useful in helping us with the development of the device, and one next step could be a closer collaboration with them for the development of device. We have demonstrated the proof of concept, we have designed some prototypes, and now we are ready to start a closer collaboration with them. Another aspect is the use of nitinol for other devices, because intrinsic properties of nitinol are so exceptional that they may be used for many other applications. And because we built up of this expertise in this specific field, it's possible for us probably to spin out some other applications with the same technology. Springfield is a particularly good position for innovation. The cost of set up a business here is particularly less expensive compared to bigger cities, which make innovation particularly attractive. In town, a new accelerator innovator center has been just opened. So there is a kind of environment which is building up here in Springfield, in collaboration as well with the SIU system, which is particularly attractive for developing this kind of devices in collaboration with the medical school, and as well which are able to impact on the local population, who will hope will accept to participate in future clinical trials and give their feedbacks to us. I'm very honored to have received the Medical Innovator Award from the Sangamon Society, because it's an honor which essentially award my work here at SIU, and as well the work of the people who have been working with me, such as Dr. McVeary, who is the chair of the Division of Urology here at SIU. And as well, I think it's a way of incentivizing essentially development of new ideas, of innovation, of collaboration between university engineers in the Sangamon County.